Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 app control 3D printers. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Elegoo Mars 5 Ultra. Specifications. Brand name Elegoo. Slice thickness 0.01 to 0.2 mm. Printing speed 30 to 150 mm per hour. Wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi. Auto leveling, yes. Maximum printing speed 150 mm per hour. Operating system EL3D 4.0. Slice software Chitabox. Filament, resin. Maximum print size, 156.36 mm, L, 77.76 mm, W, 165 mm, H. Molding technology, SLA. Interface type, USB. CE certification, yes. Precision, 0.02 mm. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Product number 4, Creality Ender 3V3 SE. Specifications. Brand name, Creality 3D. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.35 mm. Power supply, 100 to 120 V, 00 to 240 V, 50 to 60 Hz. Auto leveling, yes. Maximum printing speed, 250 mm per hour. Operating system, FDM. Diameter temp, 260. Bed temp, 100. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. File format, STL, OBJ, 3MF, AMF. Filament, PLA PEC TPU, 95A. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Maximum print size, 220 by 220 by 250 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Interface type, SD. Precision, 100 plus or minus 0.1 mm. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Product number 3, Anycubic Kobra 3V2. Specifications. Brand name Anycubic. Wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi. Auto leveling, yes. Maximum printing speed, 600 mm per second. Operating system, Kobra OS. Bed temp, 110 degrees Celsius. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Slice software, anycubic. Filament, PLA, PETG, TPU. Nozzle diameter, 0.4 mm. Maximum print size, 255 by 255 by 260 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Precision, plus or minus 0.1 mm. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. CE certification, yes. Product number 2, FlashForge Adventure 5M. Specifications. Brand name, FlashForge. Slice thickness, 0.1 to 0.4 mm. Printing speed, 200 to 300 mm per second. Wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi. Power supply, 350 watts. Auto leveling, yes. Maximum printing speed, 300 mm per second. Maximum working speed, 600 mm per second. Operating system, Windows XP, Vista, 7, 8, 10, Mac OS, Linux. Diameter temp, 280. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. File format, 3MF, STL, OBJ, FPP, BMP, PNG, JPG, JPEG file. Nozzle diameter, 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, 0.8 mm. Maximum print size, 220 by 220 by 220 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Interface type, USB. Color print speed, 200 to 300 mm per second. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. Product number 1, Anycubic Kobra S1. Specifications. Brand name, Anycubic. Printing speed, 300 mm per second. Wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi. Auto leveling, yes. Maximum printing speed, 600 mm per s. Maximum working speed, 600 mm per s. Bed temp, 120 degrees Celsius. Consumables diameter, 1.75 mm. Filament, PLA, POOP, PET, ABS, ASA, PA, PC. Maximum print size, 250 by 250 by 250 mm. Molding technology, FDM. Color print speed, 600 mm per s. Precision, plus or minus 0.1 mm. Voltage, 110 to 220 volts. CE certification, yes.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.